Welcome! In front of me I have NOKIA 3.4 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. When this menu appears, tap and hold on the, or rather press and hold on the power off option. The warning message will appear. You can read it. What it says is basically that the save mode disables all third-party applications. So if you want to restore them or make them work again, you need to reboot into normal mode. Tap OK to confirm. And as you can see, our device booted into save mode. And we need to enter the PIN code for the SIM card, so let's do it. And here we have the save mode. Like I said before, some of the applications might not work in the save mode because save mode disables all third-party applications. So if you have problems with your phone and you want to check if it's a fault of the applications that are not in your system, or rather are on your system but they're not system applications, then you can enable the save mode and see if the phone works normally there. To exit this mode, simply press and hold the power button, then tap on restart option, and that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.